Good evening, class 9. Today I explained you in my live class, I explained you some programs and I told you I will send you the videos of those programs. So here, these are the videos of those programs which I explained you today in my live class. So these programs are given on page number 103 and these are the question number 51, 53, 54 and 55. Already I explained you question number 52 in my last class. So we will start from question number 51. So this is the screen of BlueJ. Here I made the class. This is my class, new question number 51. Okay. So now I start it. I have already written the coding. This is the coding. You can see the screen. Here, this is the source code. So what is the question in question number 51? That write a program that computes bowling average for a bowler who has given 1 means 1153 runs in 18 matches, taking 109 wickets. It means total runs given by the bowler is 1153 and total wickets he has taken, that is 109, and these are the these runs and these wickets are given for 18 matches. So we have to find out the bowling average for a bowler, and a simple formula is also given. How can you find out the bowling average of a bowler? That is total run given by the bowler by, means divided by, total wickets. How many total wickets he has taken, means runs by wicket. So here first of all I will declare the class. This class is question 51. You can give here any other name also. And then I will declare the function void main. Then I will declare the required variable. How many variables are required? First of all, I want one variable to store the total runs. How many runs he has given? So first variable runs. It is initialized by 1153. Then second variable wickets. I will store here the value of wicket. How many wickets he has taken? That is 109. And then we have to find out on the basis of runs and wicket, we have to find out the bowling average. That is in the beginning I initialized it by 0, but you can write here simple bowling average if you will declare the variable, that is also okay. Okay, so total 3 variables I declared here. 2 are already initialized according to the values given in question, and third one in which I will find out the bowling average and I will store. So first of all, I will give the message to the user so that my output will be more representative. System.out.println, through which we can print the message. Total runs given by the bowler in 18 matches, and these runs are stored in the variable runs. So I will write here runs. Next is system.out.println total wickets. How many wickets he has taken in 18 matches? That is stored in variable wickets. Okay, so how it will give the message? Total run given by the bowler in 18 matches 1153, and total wickets taken by the bowler in 18 matches, that is wickets, equal to 109. In this way it will give the message. Now we will apply our formula to find out the bowling average. Bowling average equals to runs by wicket. Total runs he has given by total wickets he has taken. Then in this way we can calculate the bowling average. After that we have to print this value also, which value we find out bowling average. Again we will use the system.out.println. Then we will give the message bowling average in 18 matches, and then where it is stored in variable bowling average. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the bowling average on the basis of given runs and wickets, and we can print it also. Now I will compile the program. Okay, no syntax error. Now I will run this program also. This is my question number 51. I will right click here. Then I will create the object. This is the new object. Okay. And then right click. I will execute the function. So this is my output. How output will come? Total runs given by bowler in 18 matches. 1153. Total wickets taken by bowler in 18 matches. 109. And then bowling average in 18 matches. After the calculation, it will give the answer 10. Okay. Now I will explain you the next question. Already question number 52 I explained you. Now I will explain you the question number 53. Okay. And what is the question number 53? That is for your school test. It is also given on the same page 103. For your school test, you have to raise a sponsorship amount of rupees 50,000. Okay. And then two groups have raised rupees 5,200 and 6,800 respectively. Write a program to divide the rest of the amount among 5 other groups that have still to raise the amount. Okay, when you are watching this video, just refer your books also. You keep your books also along with you so that you can read the question. So what is given? Total how many amounts you have to collect? 50,000. Two groups have already raised the amount. Okay, so two amounts are already with you, 5,200 and 6,800. What you have to do now, you have to first of all you have to calculate that after collection of these two amounts, how much amount is left. Okay, how much amount is remained, which you have to collect from other 5 groups. Okay, and this rest of the amount, this remaining amount, you have to divide into 5 groups. Okay, so now first of all we will declare the class. Okay, question 53. You can give here any other name also. Then I will declare the function. Then what is given in the question, that those values we will store in the variable. First of all, what is given? Total sponsorship amount is given, that is 50,000, that we will store in a variable total sponsorship amount. Next, what is given? Two groups have already given the amount, that is first group, this is the amount 1 which is given by first group 5,200, and second variable I will declare amount 2 which is given by the second group, that is 6,800. Now I have to calculate the rest of the amount. How much amount more I have to collect for the sponsorship? That is rest amount. And I initialize it now in the beginning by 0. Okay. Now I will print the message to the user, system.out.println total sponsorship amount. It is given in variable total sponsorship amount. Next, I will give the message amount given by first group, that is stored in variable AMT1. Next, I will print the message amount given by second group, that is stored in AMT2. And now what I have to do, I have the total sponsorship amount. I have two amounts given by two groups. So how can I find out the rest amount? To find out the rest amount, what I will do, first of all, I will add these two amounts which I already got from the, which I already collected by the two groups, that is AMT1 plus AMT2, that I will do here. And after the addition of first and second amount, I will subtract it from total sponsorship amount. Okay, that same I have done, total sponsorship amount minus amount 1 plus amount 2. Okay, that will be rest of the amount. Now this rest of the amount, what I have to do, I have to divide into 5 groups. So I will divide it by 5. So system.out.println amount given by 5 other groups, that will be equal to rest of the amount by 5. In this way, I can find out what will be the divided amount in 5 rest of the groups. Okay. So now I will compile it. Compile. No syntax error, so I will run it now. This is my question number 53. Okay, this is question. This is my created object. I will click here. This way I will create the object. Now I will run my function main. Okay. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the output. Total sponsorship amount 50,000, amount given by first group that is 5,200, amount given by second group that is 6,800, amount given by 5 other group. How we will find out? First of all, we will find out the remaining amount, rest of the amount, and then we will divide it by 5. So 5 other groups will give the amount equally 76,600. Okay. So this is the answer of, this is the output of which question? Question number 53. Okay. Now question number 54. Okay. Question number 54. This is question number 54. And in this question, what is given? A charity animal hospital has received 1193 packets. Okay. A charity animal hospital has received how many packets? 1193 packets. And we have to write a program that will display how many dozens of packet and how many extra packets has the hospital received. So you all know that in a dozen there are 12 units. So what we have to do, we have to convert this 1193 packets means how many dozens, and after converting these dozens, total how many extra packets will be there. So there is a very simple formula to convert any given packets or anything we have to convert into dozens. So we will divide by 12. That will be what quotient we will get, that will be the number of dozens, and what will be the remainder, that will be the extra packets. Okay. So what we will do here, first of all we will declare the class, then we will declare the function, and then we will declare the variables. First variable is total packets, that is given in the question, what 1193. Then next one, two dozens of packet which we have to find out, and then extra packets that we also have to calculate. Two things we have to calculate, how many dozens of packet and how many extra packet, that I initialized by 0. Now I will give the message total packets received. Total packets received, it is stored in the variable total packets. So I will write here total packets. So it will give the message total packets received equal to total packets 1193. Now we have to calculate dozens of packet. How many dozens of packet? So how we can find out? This given number of packets we will divide by 12. What will be the quotient? That will be the dozens of packet. Okay. Now next one, extra packets. Extra packets, how we can find out? Just I told you that we will divide, but what will be the remainder? Means we will use the operator modulus. Modulus operator will give you the remainder value, that will be the extra packets. After converting the in the dozens, what will be the left packet? That will be extra packet. So we can get that value by modulus operator. Okay. And dozens we can find out by using slash division operator. Then we have to print it also. So we will use system.out.println total dozens in packets received equal to dozens of packet. Okay, that is dozens of packet. It will be print. We have already calculated here, and then we will print extra packet. Okay, by using this, because extra packets are stored in the variable extra packet. So that one we will print. In this way, we can find out the total number of packets and total number of extra packets. Okay, I compiled it, no error. Now I will run. This is my question number 54. Right click, we'll create the object. Again right click, I will run it. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the output. Total packet received 1193, and when we will convert into dozens, after dividing by 12, we will get total 99 packets of dozens. And then extra packets means after converting into dozens, how many will be left, means what, how many will be less than 12, that is the 5 packets. Means 99 dozens, 1193 packets means 99 dozens and 5 more. Okay, so this was the answer of question number 54. Okay, in question number 55, so now I will create a class question 55. This is question number 55. Okay, and what I will do here, I will delete these all, and I will copy this one. I already explained you this question also. So I will copy here these all. I will select all. Then I will copy and I will paste it here in question number 55. Okay. So just change here name, because this is my question number 55. So I will change here class name, that is question number 55. That's same. Okay, you have seen that in my last question I made these two as the comment. Means in last program we don't have to convert this same packets into the gross. In question number 55, this is related to question number 54. We have to convert. Okay, we have to convert it these packets into gross also. How many dozens and how many extra packets? First of all, we have to convert into gross, then we have to convert into dozens, and how many extra packets. Okay, so how we can find out the dozens? That we will divide by 12. Okay, but we have to, first of all, we have to convert into gross. So what we will do here, I will paste here. So first of all, we will take one variable total packets that is given in question 1193, dozens of packets, extra packets, and here I will take one more variable that is gross. Okay, because we have to find out the gross also. Gross is also initialized by 0. Okay, Then we will give the masses system.out.println total packets received, total packets. Now first of all we will convert into gross. Okay, but you know that it is given in the question that a gross equals to 144 units. 144 units. So we will divide here. What we will do here? Gross equals to total number of packets divided by 144. Okay, so in this way, when we will, you know that in one gross, there will be 12 dozen. 12 dozens means total how many units? 144. Okay. So in this way, we can find out how many gross. Gross equal to total packets, we will divide by 144. Okay. Now dozens of packet we have to find out. How can we find out the dozens of packet? Total packets divided by 12. And how we can find out the extra packets? Already explained you that what will be the remainder. That will be the extra packet. So remainder value we can find out by using which operator? Modulus operator. Now we have to print these all system.out.println. First of all we will find out first of all we will print the gross. Okay, first of all we will print the gross packets. Okay, then it is stored in the variable gross. Then we will print total dozens of packets. It is stored in dozens of packets. Now we will print extra packet, that is stored in the variable extra packets. These all we will print after the calculation, and then we will compile it. Okay, so first of all we will compile, no error. So we will run this. Okay, this is question number 55. So I will run question number 55. Okay, this is the object. Right click. I will run this. Okay, so what is here? Total number of packets 1193. Gross packets are 8, and dozens of packets are 99, and extra packets are 5. Okay, so these were the question number 51 to 55. Okay, so in my video now I will explain you other questions which I was given in the um, homework. Those all I will explain you in my next video. This is for today's work. You will complete these all work in your fair notebook. Okay, so now these programs I explained you. Now some question answers I will discuss in my next video. Okay, till that time, have a great day. Thank you.